Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is based on a different topic. Unlike all our other videos where we discuss various startups, in this video we are going to discuss 8 online business ideas or income source ideas for students with minimum or zero investment. These ideas are best for students because I know students these days are having an internet connection along with a smartphone or laptop. And as a student, we always lack pocket money. No matter how much our parents give us as pocket money, we will always feel like we need more money. Along with that, students are having more time to learn and improve themselves with the necessary skills. Once you get out of college or get a job, life becomes complicated and we hardly get any time to learn a skill or try something new. So, if you are in college, you can consider these side income ideas. Now, before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, do like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for regular updates. So, let's get started. Number 1. Web design and development. If you are a guy who loves technology things like web designing, web development, or even if you are interested in learning these skills, which you can of course easily do for free from YouTube, web designing can be a very good side income option for you. If you are not a technology geek, you can still learn how to create a website on WordPress in a maximum of 7 days and create website for your clients. Website has become a basic need for any online business or even for offline businesses. Take the example of private schools, clinics, restaurants, etc. They need a website to make their presence online, but the reality is that only a few of them have it. You can approach them and offer them your web designing services. Once you start receiving projects, you can make your web designing agency by hiring people instead of yourself working on it. Number 2. Social media management. Every business needs to be online and social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn are an integral part of it. Content planning and social media management is a task that needs to be done very effectively. Business owners are always looking for social media managers to manage their online appearance. If you are active on social media, you may know that meme has become a new way of marketing any product. You can learn detailed strategies about these social media platforms and work as a social media manager for others. Number 3. YouTube. YouTube is very popular and people love to watch more and more engaging video content. If you are good at presenting things or even if you are interested in video content creation, you can try creating videos on YouTube by starting a channel on a particular niche. Though it is not that easy to monetize a channel for new YouTubers, you will surely get a good side income after 1 year if you keep posting engaging videos regularly. People are even doing YouTube as a full-time career, so you should know the potential of this video sharing platform. Number 4. Video editing or animation creation. With YouTube comes another side income idea that is trending these days. Because of the boom of video content around the globe, the demand for video editors or animation creators has increased drastically. If you have this skill of video editing, or even if you are interested in this particular field, you can learn video editing online using free or paid courses and apply for video editing jobs. You will have to work for 2 to 3 hours every day and will easily get paid 20 to 30,000 rupees every month. Another good thing about this skill is that people will pay you more as your experience increases in the field. So you are always upgrading yourself as well as your pay scale indirectly. Number 5. Ebook writing. Many students love writing, and believe me, becoming a writer is very easy these days. If you have a story in your mind or a non-fiction book idea, you can write it down on your laptop and get it edited by an editor. After which, you can simply get a book cover designed on Canva and upload the manuscript on Amazon through KDP. Your book will be available as an ebook on Amazon, and anyone from around the globe can purchase and read it. Once people start purchasing your ebook, you will receive royalties for the same. You can also run Facebook ad campaigns if you want. If you can sell even 100 copies per month at royalties of 100 rupees, your monthly income will be 10,000 rupees and yearly 1,20,000 rupees. This is a completely passive income, as users need to write the book only once and you will earn money for it for years. I have made a complete video on how you can create an ebook and earn money. You can check that video from the description of this video. Number 6. Online coaching services. After COVID-19 happened last year, the entire education system changed. Students are now equally comfortable with learning online on their laptops and smartphones. So, if you are good at teaching people educational courses, you can do this online. Online tutoring will give you a good work from home option, as you will not have to go anywhere physically and everything can be done while being at home. Number 7. Creating an app. We use apps for everything these days. If you go to the Google Play Store, you will find thousands of apps for a single purpose, and each app is having a good number of downloads. You can create an app that allows users to do simple work and upload it on the Google Play Store. You can earn through ads on the app and make a decent passive income. Number 8. Online courses. This passive income idea is on the trending list these days. Whenever you watch any educational videos on YouTube or Facebook, you will end up watching multiple ads regarding online courses. This is because people are spending more and more time at home and investing in themselves. Online courses are a good investment that people started understanding recently. If you are good at a particular thing, say for example, you are good at video editing, you can create a course where you will be teaching everything you know as a pre-recorded course and upload it for sale on your website. If you have the budget, market it on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, etc. Now whenever someone purchases your course, you will earn money. If you price the course at 500 rupees and end up selling 100 courses in 1 month, your total income will be 50,000 rupees, which is way more than the salary of many government employees. By the way, 500 rupees is not a very big amount for anyone willing to learn an in-demand skill like video editing. I am not saying that you will end up selling 100 courses per month, but there is a possibility that you may sell way more than that. You just need to crack the code. That is it for this video, guys. Comment down if you have any doubts on the topic. I will reply to your comment. You can check out our other videos too, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you again in the next video.